We love minis that break the rules, and the John Cooper Works Paceman might be the most rule-breaking mini ever made. It's a 3-door crossover coupe with all 4 all-wheel drive, 208 horsepower, and styling that made people go, wait, what? It was weird, it was fun, and it was low-key kind of awesome. Here are 5 things you probably didn't know about the Mini John Cooper Works Paceman. Did you know the Paceman was Mini's first and only 3-door SUV? It was based on the Countryman, but featured 2 doors, a sloped roofline, and a more coupe-like profile. It was Mini experimenting, and you've got to respect the boldness. Did you know the John Cooper Works Paceman packed 208 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque from Mini's turbocharged 1.6-liter engine? With standard all-4 all-wheel drive and a sport-tuned suspension, it hit 0 to 60 in about 6.5 seconds. Not bad for something with the practicality of an SUV and the soul of a hot hatch. Did you know the John Cooper Works Paceman came standard with a 10mm lower sport suspension, featuring firmer springs and dampers along with strengthened anti-roll bars? That setup gave it a noticeably more planted, aggressive feel compared to the John Cooper Works Countryman, even though they shared the same platform and drivetrain. It might have looked like a crossover, but it drove more like a mini coupe on stilts. Did you know the Paceman was only sold from 2013 to 2016, and John Cooper Works models made up a tiny fraction of production? That makes the John Cooper Works Paceman one of the rarest performance minis ever made, especially if you find one with a 6-speed manual. Did you know, despite its oddball proportions, the JCW Paceman still delivered that mini go-kart feeling? It was flatter, sharper, and more responsive than you'd expect from a crossover, even with all-wheel drive and extra weight. It might have confused people in showrooms, but it made total sense from behind the wheel. So yeah, the JCW Paceman was weird, but in the best possible mini way. It was bold, rare, and surprisingly fun to drive. And now, it's a low-key collector car for mini fans who love the brand's experimental spirit. Hit like if you're into mini oddballs, and subscribe for more fun-sized performance picks every week.